Before installation, please read and follow all safety precautions in the installation manual. Confirm the installation site meets the product requirements, including the water pressure and power outlets. Make sure the outlet is within reach of the power cord, as well as positioned high enough to avoid water contact. Unbox the product and confirm all components are included. Gather the required tools before starting. Begin by wrapping plumber's tape around the threads of the supplied water shutoff valve. Thread the shutoff valve onto the water supply and tighten it clockwise. Once installed, turn the handle 90 degrees clockwise to place the shutoff valve in the off position. Next, connect the hose to the flushing valve water inlet, located on the toilet. Slide the hose fixing clip into position. Then secure the clip protection strip until you hear a click, confirming it is locked in place. Be sure to put some cushion down to prevent damage to the floor and the ceramic. Carefully turn the toilet bowl onto its side to access the bottom. Remove the plastic trapway from the underside of the toilet bowl. Then install the gasket onto the bottom of the plastic trapway. Position the plastic trapway over the floor flange, aligning it with the T-bolts. Next, secure the trapway to the flange using the supplied washers and nuts. Once installed, visually inspect the plastic trapway and confirm it is level and aligned evenly with the rear wall. Next, unfold the paper template provided with the installation kit. Align the template with the base of the plastic trapway and mark the screw positions for the L bracket on the floor. If installing on tile or concrete, drill an 8 mm hole to a depth of 55 mm, then insert the supplied anchors. Next, position the L bracket over the marked locations. Install the 6 by 40 mm screws and washers, and secure the L bracket firmly to the floor. Confirm that the plastic trapway is firmly fixed and does not wobble. Before continuing, clean the installation floor and adhesive-facing surfaces so they are free of dust, debris, and moisture. Lift the toilet and carefully align it with the installed plastic trapway. Make sure the mounting holes on the side of the ceramic opening are perpendicular to the L bracket. Lower the toilet straight down into position, confirming that the side screw holes align correctly with the L bracket. Insert the screw and sleeve through the side of the toilet bowl to secure it to the L bracket. Once tightened, install the screw cap to finish the connection. Next, insert the hose into the water shutoff valve and tighten the nut clockwise using a wrench. Once connected, turn the shutoff valve handle counterclockwise 90 degrees to fully open the water supply. Be sure the water supply hose is not bent, twisted, or under tension. Insert the power plug into a grounded 120-volt outlet. Now let's check for leaks. Press the flush button and inspect all water connections. Repeat 2 more times to ensure the water fills the bowl and trapway. Next, let's insert the supplied AAA batteries into the remote control. Then open the toilet lid. Power on the remote control by pressing and holding the power button on the back for 2 seconds. To pair the remote, press and hold the stop button on the front of the remote for more than 3 seconds. When the front LED flashes 3 times, pairing is complete. Make sure to select a location for the remote holder for easy accessibility. Then mount the remote holder to the wall using the supplied screws and anchors, appropriate for the wall surface. Next, place plastic wrap or an object near the nozzle spray position to prevent the water from spraying out. Cover the seat sensors with your arm at the 4 and 7 o'clock positions of the seat. First, press the rear washing button and confirm water sprays from the rear nozzle. Next, press the front washing button and confirm water sprays from the front nozzle. Lastly, press the warm air dryer button and confirm warm air is emitted. Finally, remove the plastic wrap and close the lid. Your installation is now complete. For operation, care, and troubleshooting, refer to the included manuals or visit the GROHE support website.